Hi, guapa and guapo. I just left, KOHL'S. Shopping na punta. I receive $10 off if I spend 25. So that's a very great savings. So I bought some clothes for boys, for kids. As I've said, for Christmas is coming, so we're gonna stock up and get ready. So anyway, this is our weather today. Mauni siya ang panahon, mauni siya ang palibot. That's a Walmart on that side there. And over here, yun siya. Tanawa lang na ang mga view, mga friends. Itong view karon. And money can I view, yeah. That's the view over there. Okay. I can't see. It's already, I don't know, I've been in the store for too long looking for good sales. They have like 80% for kids. So I don't know how long I was there. It's already 4. I know I went there like 2:20. Oh my god, that's a long time. I still have to cook. Okay. Muna siya ang store. So ipakita lang na ako ninyo akong gipamalit, guys. I'll show you what I bought. As I spent like total was 25 and I paid 15. So these are all for kids, for my niece and nephew. So we have this top and that's size medium. That's for kids. So drop to from 24 to 720. And look at this. My nephew will love this. A collection of Hot Wheels. So the original price for this is $5.99, I mean. And it was, I paid $4.99. And mga summer shorts for kids. That is $6.60. I got 2 of that. And then a Batman shirt for $7.49. I don't know if this is I mean, for me, I feel like it's a good deal, but I don't know compared to the Philippine prices, I mean. So that's the original 15. I don't know how much is this. I guess we can get great deals at Divisoria, pero I've never been there. This is another shirt for $6. So it says here I saved $66. And so those are the final prices. From, you can see there, the item was 22, clearance 15, and the prices at the far right are the final prices. $4.62. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for pila ba? $15, diba? That's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna start driving, guys. I'll see you next time.